Okay, this is your central PA, Harrisburg, York, State College, Sunbury, Williamsport on up towards Towanda, Wellsboro. I'm going to skip the 48-hour forecast and just give you the first computer models, what it shows for snow. And this would be basically, I'm thinking Thursday night into Friday might be the heaviest. As you can see, the Poconos, this is the lower Poconos, they get hit pretty good. I'm thinking 5 to 10, no matter what the screen says. I think 5 to 10, but there could be more if the timing is right and the cold air comes in enough. But remember, the ground's warm. Basically, all the way down here. Here's Harrisburg down here. Not much, maybe a half an inch to an inch. If you're in Lebanon, you're on that one inch, 2 inch area. Out towards State College, maybe 2, 3 inches. Up here north, this is towards Wellsboro, and Bradford's out here. Probably looking at 3 to 5 inches in the higher elevations up that way. So you can see that's what the Euro says. Now the GFS model is pretty close. The GFS pretty much follows the same suit as everything else. So I'm gonna stick with both of those are pretty reliable. So again, this is the Susquehanna Valley heading up towards Sunbury through here. If you're wondering, in State College, I think is right up around here. So that's kind of what the GFS says. The Canadian, now, the Canadian runs only up to Friday morning, so it doesn't quite show the heaviness of it. But you can see it's pretty much the same area. Laurel Highlands up to northern PA and then down into the Poconos. And now this is the icon model. Again, Poconos, ground zero. Actually shows it a little bit more down in the southern part of PA, but the central part of PA, it kind of lightens it up a little bit. But I'm going with the idea that the Laurel Highlands up towards Bradford, then across here towards Towanda, and down, I'd say not along the Susquehanna Valley there, but outside of that can get anywhere from like 1 to 3, maybe 4 or 5 inches at tops, and then the Susquehanna Valley on down maybe an inch or so. And remember, ground's warm, so a lot of this is going to melt as it hits. But if you're up, you can see it. It'll be Thursday night and Friday is what I'm looking at right now. This going on, and if you go by this model, again, Lebanon would be the 1 to 3 inch zone in here, and then down towards York would be, depending on what side of York you're on, but it'll be 1 to 3 inches also. Okay, that's your update for Central PA.